Nandun pala yung ano. At press 1 muna sa lahat ng present today. Press 1, press 1, press 1. The Manalo. Yeah. Boss. Looks like I made it. Look how far we've come, my babies. Ooh, the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Sing with me. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Twin Poggy. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Poison! Hi, Bas Marupok. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Pwede nyo nang beer nyo. And that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one. Hey, sana all you're still the one. Opa, hello. You're still the one I'm to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Thank you so much. Hi, Eva. Good morning, guys. Good evening, good afternoon. What time is it there in your country right now? Uy, marupok! Huwag naman dyan! Sana man ako dyan. Okay, let's muna ha, warm up. Yeah, this is me, Poison. Long time no see, where have you been? Are you busy? You know, pinutin ko siya baka. Wala. What do you think? What? Nice to see you here again. Swaying room as the music starts. Strangers making the most of the dawn. Two by two their bodies become one. Girl, ano ka naman? I see you to the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I
marupok, thank you so much. Marupok na singkit.
Trying hard to control my heart, I walk over to where you are. That's why we need no words at all.
Crazy sa maling tao. Char.
Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. So two are standing still in time. And if you read my mind, you see I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss. Because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you.
Crazy for you, favorite song ng mga marupok too. Kagaya ni Marupok, marupok sa in real life. Cha! The real winner. Aw, Poison. Good morning, guys. Good evening. To share the live, tap your screen.
It's all brand new, yeah. I'm crazy for you, and you know it's true, yeah. I'm crazy for you.
I miss singing that song.
I'm crazy for you, and you know it's true, yeah.
Pwede nakausap mo na? Ano sabi?
Crazy for you, baby.
Hi, Chloe. Poison's favorite. I know. Alright, I'm gonna sing you this next song. I'm doing my warm-up, guys. Okay. Balance lang yung music tsaka yung voice ko. Or mas malakas yung voice ko. Balance lang ba?
She's in disguise. SOS, she's in disguise. There's a she-wolf in disguise. Coming out, coming out, coming out. A domesticated girl, that's all you ask of me. But it is no joke, this is lycanthropy. The wounds away now, right eyes open, my body's craving to feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Friday to Friday.
Mahina kasi sa akin eh. Papansin. I know!
Give me a letter and tell you about it. There's a she-wolf in a closet. Open up and set it free. Let it out so we can breathe. Hey, come on. Sitting across the bar, staring right up her prey. It's going well so far. She's gonna get her way. Turn on creatures, not so prudent. That was my teacher, and I'm her student.
RDS! Hi, welcome!
Looking for good little divas or rich city guys just want to enjoy. Having a very good time and behavior by the arms of the boy. There's a she-wolf in a closet. Open up and set it free. Let it out so we can breathe.
Gia.